guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is an Estee Lauder lip video. My favorite, because I love Estee Lauder lipsticks. So we are going to review and swatch and try on the Estee Lauder lip kit. This is the holiday collection. It's a steal, you all. Oh my gosh. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. Alright, I'm so excited. I feel like we just did the lip kit for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I love them. They're so cute. I keep them in a little... I keep the bag up on my shelf, and then I keep all the little minis in here. They're so cute, and they sit on my desk. But we're talking, I'm like, they came out $33, you guys. $33. I was like, what? So let's open it up and take a little peek and see what we've got. Okay. All right. So, ooh, these are cute. Okay. So they are full size. And look how cute they are. Oh, these are so cute. And I bet you the color is similar. Okay, look, they have little snowflakes. How adorable are those? They are so cute. Okay, now I have a lot of Estee Lauder lipsticks. I've gotten a lot of their collections, especially like with breast cancer awareness. I just got my hair cut, you guys, and it feels so good. I had a few inches cut off. I told you I was gonna do it. But it feels so healthy, but it's so light right now that it feels like I love when my hair is a little bit dirty, you know what I mean? And it's not. So let me first start out by telling you, so this is an example of, this went from one of the breast cancer awareness lip kits. Here's the thing, listen. It has the magnetic lid and you can feel the weight. Okay, so this is, when they did this particular kit, they did it exactly like how all of their lipsticks are, the quality of the packaging. The packaging on this is light, and they've done this before in other kits. And this is how you're getting, you're getting 5 full lipsticks for $33 when one normally costs like $35. But the packaging is not going to have that magnetic lid, and it's lighter weight. Still beautiful. I'm gonna probably not gonna, well, we'll see if I'll wear them. I'm gonna display them, but I'm gonna go ahead and let me take off what I've got on. So good thing I have a little bit of micellar water, so I'm going to take the lipstick off. What's on the outside, kind of reminiscent of what the lipstick color is going to be. So I'm going to go lightest to darkest. What I noticed right off the bat is you've got, here, it's really hard to hold 5 of them, is you've got like a pink, a red, a burgundy, or a mauve, and then more burgundy, and then like a really dark brown. That's what it looks like, but let's try it. Rose is great because it's very neutral, so it's, a little bit, here, this is the difference. You can see this is nude, this is rose. Okay, so let's try, the first one is, I'm going to swatch it for, ooh, look how pretty when you open it up. Come on, pick up. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to, oh, there's like a little snowflake. Y'all, I don't even want to use these. Can you see that? There's a snowflake. Oh, I don't want to mess them up. That's all right. We'll do it. We're going to do it. Okay, so this is very, very, very pink. Pink, 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 pink. I typically am not overly fond of the super pinks. It's pretty though. It's just not my color. This one, you might want to know the name, right? candy. Shocking. Shocking. Let me pull you in. It's a beautiful color. Look, the formula is going to be wonderful. So really pretty. Not my color, but it's a pretty color. Okay, let's go in for the next one, you guys, which is going to be the reddest red. This is, I think it's Carnal. Yep, Carnal. I'm going to try, I'm tempted to just, ooh, oh my gosh. These are so pretty, you all. I don't like messing them up. Actually, the little, that's really pretty. That's a really pretty, I'm almost sure I have this color. This isn't something that I wear on a daily basis, a bright red lip, but it is during the holidays. Yeah, I have this. So sometimes when I don't have a lip liner, what I'll do, like I didn't put a lip liner on first, I'll go ahead and I'll do it after. So this red has a little bit of oranginess to it. I think it's a beautiful red. Let me bring you a little bit. I love their formula. Absolutely. And make sure we're going. So that's Carnal. And there she is there. Gorgeous. All right, you guys, next one, more of a burgundy-ish color. And this one I'm pretty sure is Rebellious Rose. I have this. This is one of their signature colors, so I have it, I probably have 20 of these. I probably have 5 or 6 or 7 of these in different packaging. Rebellious Rose is beautiful. It's perfect. It's a perfect fall. It's a perfect color, period. It's perfect. I mean, you don't really even need to fuss about it. I am going to take it's perfect. Rebellious Rose, you guys. Again, their signature color, so I knew this was going to be. It's one of those ones where it goes with anything. Anything. I don't care what you're wearing, brown, red, blue, purple, green. Green. Oh, green. Yeah. No, it looks great. It's a really beautiful color. Okay, next one is Irresistible. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm just obsessed with the snowflake. It's really, really pretty. Irresistible is gorgeous. I have this color as well. This is another one that you are not going to go wrong. It is so beautiful on, especially for fall. I mean, this is so pretty. Let me zoom you in a little bit. This is definitely, it's just such a favorite. It's a beautiful color. This is why I love Irresistible. It has a slight plum background to it. So it's so beautiful. If you were to look at this packaging, you'd go, oh my gosh, that's so dark. No. Or even you might even look at the lipstick and say, it's so dark. It's not. Look at it. It's beautiful. And it's gorgeous. I don't know what I've never tried this one, so it'll be interesting, but I'm going to say this is like so perfect for fall. So perfect. Okay, last one is Persuasive. I do not have this one. I've never tried this one, so excited to try something new. Let me put it here. All right, there is Persuasive. Super pretty. Okay, let's give this one a try. It's so funny because looking at here, I'm like, oh my God, that's going to be so dark. Okay, that's not even remotely close. Not even remotely. This is another super pretty fall color. God, I love Estee Lauder lippies. Is there such a thing as too many? All right, let me give you my final thoughts on these. All right, you guys, so what are my thoughts on the Estee Lauder Holiday Lip Kit for $33? Go out and get it. I mean, it's a steal, it's a bargain, it's amazing. I love it. Okay, look, truthfully, you guys know Estee Lauder is my favorite lippy. The packaging is so stinking cute, and my favorite part, aside from the colors and the formula, which obviously I love that. Look at the shine on them. Every time I hit the light, they zips. The formula is phenomenal. These ones are super creamy. They're the cream, right, versus the high luster or anything like that. So the formula is the cream. It's beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. The candy is my least favorite just because that color is not a good color for me. That's that Barbie doll pink, which is very pretty, but just not on me. Again, the packaging, stinking cute, and the fact that there's little snowflakes all over the actual lipstick. I mean, seriously, can we get any cuter than that? Seriously, can we get any cuter than that? I don't think so. And then this one is Carnal. That's right, the red. Beautiful. It's a really gorgeous red with a hint of undertone of orange. And then this one is Rebellious Rose, which that's their signature color. Oh, I wiped them off. I was afraid I'd get it on. Well, here we go. Rebellious Rose, gorgeous. It's one of those colors, year-round color, beautiful. Then we have Irresistible, which again, this is a color I own, and it has this beautiful undertone of like violet or plum. Beautiful, especially for fall, but I wear that one year round. By the way, yes, I went back and put on Irresistible because that will be the color that I'll be wearing today. I love it. It's one of my favorites. It usually sits out on the counter here, but I've been trying to organize and put things there and then pull them out and then put them back. We'll see how that goes. The last one, Persuasive, which was new to me. Gorgeous. This is the packaging is a little bit off on this one. I mean, if they were trying to match the colors. This one has more of a burnt orange to it. Very beautiful and gorgeous color. So yeah, I'm a fan. Buy them. It's $33 for 5 full lipsticks. Can't go wrong. I recommend them. All right, you guys, well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, take a minute, hit that like button. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.